everyone, it's Tafari back with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about this super big balling drop shipper. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so for those of you who are watching this video, it's pretty obvious. I'm talking about LeVar Ball, Lonzo Ball, the big baller brand basically, and how they are, basically drop shippers in such a way, or they use Shopify to basically make money online. And a lot of people, if you guys don't know what drop shipping is or Shopify, it's basically when you order when you order and you get your thing shipped from you don't have to hold any inventory basically, and you get it shipped from like China or somewhere else for cheaper. And usually what happens goes on in drop shipping is people sell what's cheaper in China for a profit here. Basically every company, big company, does this. They don't, it's not so it has to be called drop shipping, but it's, this is what the Shopify users are using today. And I just wanted to show you, like, I'm not sure what big baller brand is using, but to like how they ship and all that, I'm not sure if they're shipping it from the US or China or whatever. But I do understand if you slide to the bottom, because I'm on their page, you slide to the bottom, their page and their platform is actually powered by Shopify. So for all you guys on the internet, wondering if Shopify is real, can you really make money with Shopify? Yes, it's possible. Yes, it's possible to make money. And it's making money online. If they can do it, you can do it too. The thing is, what he did, LeVar Ball was so good at, was building a brand. And that's basically all you have to do in your own sense. So, you can be doing anything. You can be selling makeup. Just like Kylie Jenner and Kylie Cosmetics. She's just basically drop shipping makeup or just selling makeup online. You can do the same exact thing. You don't necessarily even have to touch the product. Now, I don't really teach this, but I'm not teaching this at the moment, but I do understand that, there are people using platforms just like this to make thousands of dollars every single day. All you have to do is learn how to put a product in front of the right groups of people. That's all marketing really is. And making them buy things. You want to put things on, or in a smaller sense, you put something on paper or put something online and get people to buy it. That's all really it is to marketing. It's not really that complicated. All you have to do is understand your target audience and, you know, how to trigger the emotions and understanding your audience fully. It's so many ways to make money online. People like LeVar Ball. Now, how did LeVar Ball manage to build such a brand like this and he's able to generate thousands of dollars of sales online? He's hundreds and thousands, actually, at this point, hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales online. How was he able to do this? And basically, the main way, if you do not know, is leveraging social media and leveraging the sports world market. Now, for those of you who do not understand who just watch ran into this video somehow, do some research on dropshipping and Shopify. Now, I'm going to talk more about his brand. I'm going to get more into it. So, social media, dropshipping, building his brand on using the news, so many ways, and it really teaches the power of building a personal brand in today's world, especially if you never want to work for someone else. Try to build your own brand. You don't necessarily have to jump on the media and the news. Now, it can be a bad example, and too many expectations, but you can literally build a brand from social media. Lonzo has a huge following. LaMelo, huge following. LiAngelo, huge following. And while they're building their brand, they're able to generate thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales just from promoting what they wear in their brand. I mean, who wouldn't want to do that? You know? And who's their audience? The people who know, like, and trust them. It's their fans. Their fans are more likely to buy. Like, look, these t-shirts don't even have to be like, I'm pretty sure these t-shirts took like $3 to make. If you go on their page, they're selling them for $70. That's an example of like arbitrage, basically, like, she's selling things for cheap, selling cheap things for super high prices. But it's all about personal branding. They know whenever you're branding yourself, they know the people, they just want to really sell to their fans. They want to sell to who know, likes, and trusts them, and that's their fans. And they're able to do things like this. And you can do the same exact thing if you know how to build a brand and rise to the top whenever you're trying to make money online or anything. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, you can build any form of, your brand is you, or however you want to put it all together. just know that when you build a brand, you build a fan. A lot of people fail in the beginning. They don't build a brand. They don't build a brand. They just too busy trying to be sales when they could build a brand and start promoting their own form brand and their own company. And look, what I love most about building your own brand is, when you build your own community and people who really will know, like, and trust you, you can sell them anything. There's so many millionaires, multimillionaires out there able to do this simply because they know understand the importance of building a brand. A lot of you guys may hate the big baller brand, but those who love, he's not worried about things like that. They aren't worried about, you know, who doesn't like them. They're worried about their fans. They're worried about who supports them. That's what it's all about. That's all what brand building is. You think the people who are super famous, care about their haters? No, they fuel that. They're fueled by them. I'll be the same way. If someone hates on me, boost my engagement, boost anything about me. It's just how it works in this world. And once you understand that the power of some people don't believe it's possible to make money online or do anything or build a brand just because they aren't taught to build a brand at a young age or in school. I don't think we've ever been taught like, oh, start your own online, start your own business, start a business at all. We don't think we've been taught in school. We mainly are fixated on following the rules and trying to you know get a job. So basically, just fuel someone else's dreams. At the end result, we aren't fueled to or taught or fueled to taught or rubbed off on to start a business. We're taught to you know get a job and support someone. So hope you can make money with your job or whatever career you chose. You know, we're taught to get hired by the people who built these websites, or I mean, we're taught to get hired by businesses like the Big Baller brand or engineering for Google or something like that. We weren't taught to start our own company. We weren't influenced for that at all. Like the power of you know leveraging your brand and your fans and everything a part of it. You can literally make thousands. If you just get people to know, like, and trust you, you can do thousands of personal branding. Now, I'm not the personal branding expert. I'm still building my brand as we go on, but I'm just, I'll look back at this video like, yes, this is a perfect example of what personal branding and branding can do for you and your family and your future. Like, let's be honest. Like, if you did not know who these guys were, they weren't popular, and you just seen these T-shirts, you're not gonna buy them. But let's know if you are a fan of this, you believe in the movement, you believe in this company, you're gonna buy it. It's just plain T-shirt, but if you're a fan and you truly endorse them or believe in them, you will buy. It's that simple. Now, some of you guys may watch this like, oh, buy that T-shirt. But look, you're watching them every day. You're watching them every day. You're a true fan. You're going to do this. It's that simple. There's no other way to describe it. I honestly might finish right on there. Like, I understand the power of personal branding. LeVar Ball, you know, this is powered by Shopify. I just like noticed this. I had to make a video on it. I just want to make a video on what's trending, and I know he's trending Tuesday, and you know, you can make money online. People are making $1,000 selling wolf mugs and screws, like with Shopify. You just have to understand how to put the proper audience in front of the product you have to offer and build a brand behind it. Because with that brand, you can make more and more and more money. You can keep selling the more and more products. Just got to build that brand and build people who know, like, and trust you. All right, that's all I wanted to post on this video today. Thanks for watching this. I'm out. Peace.